Hey, hello viewers. I hope you all are doing great and staying safe. So my name is Rajesh Ahire, and today we will be going to see the special variable again, because in the last video we have some quite confusion about that name thing. So let me clear that confusion and we will go ahead with that thing. So let me create. Okay, so we have two files here. One is a main and another one is a calc. So both files are empty here. So let me first define one function. So I will say function one, and I just printing that from, or just say from function one. Okay, and let me create one another function which is function 2, and it will print from function 2. Okay, and let me run this code. Okay, so it's I'm still for, we know that if we cannot call that particular function, so it will not going to execute. Okay, and let me run this thing. So it is giving us the right output. Okay, but whenever we are working in a project, that time we have to add each and everything inside the function. So we are calling the functions, we have to add that functions also in the function. So we all know that the our function where we call all the methods, which is a main function. Okay, so let me write that thing. Okay, and now if we are running this code again, then again we will be able to see that we are not getting the output, because we have to call that main method again. Okay, so now I will be running this thing, and now I am getting the things as from function 1 and from function 2. Okay, that's pretty simple stuff here. So okay, so in calc we have to going to use this as a module. So let me define two functions here. So I'm just defining function sum, and I'm just printing from sum, and let me define one more function which is let's say subtraction or sub. We will say uh, from sub. Okay, and we know that what we have to do, we will be again making one function which is calling that particular function. Okay, and in the end what we have to do, we have to call that particular function. So let me run this thing. So we will know that what we will be getting as output. So we will be getting output as from sum and from sum. Okay, so till this point, I think all things are clear. But now we are talking about the special variable, but we are not use it. Okay, so if I have to now, what I have to do, I have to call some function inside this function. So we all know that I'll have to import from calc. Okay, from calc import, let's just say sum. Okay, so now I know what will be the output or result will be. So the result will be from function A, and then the sum will say from sum A, okay, and the from function 2. So the output line will be 3. So let's check the output of these things. So, okay, so let me run this thing. Okay, but now I am getting some things. So the thing is that I was getting from sum, from sub, then from function 1. But I am just calling the sum, not this subtraction or sub function, but till it's giving me here in the main.py file. But how is it possible? Because whenever we are using the module now, that time we have to use the particular file as a stand-alone file or stand-alone module. So whenever we are working in a project, that time we have to do what we have to do. We have to work on a stand-alone file. So we will be just going to use so simple stuff here. So now you will be clear with these things. Okay, so let me add one simple stuff here. So if name, okay, name is equal to main, so that time only my main method. So now what we are doing, so whenever we calling that particular only one function from this standalone module, we will only get that thing. And also we will be, let's say I'm just writing here one thing that plus I'm just giving the other name again. And just now run this. So now I'm running this, and now I was getting the exactly output whatever I'm expecting. So from function 1 and the sum, and I am getting this information that this sum function will came from that particular calc module. So now I think the many whatever the doubt you have, this is now clear with you all. And I think the special, whatever the special variable we are using here, that particular name. So in the upcoming lectures, we are going to use that variable so much time. And that time you will get exactly the things, how that particular variable is working. So now if you are not able to, or if you are not getting the things in a proper way now, just let me know in the comment section, or else in the upcoming videos guys, your all doubts will be resolved. And we are now at the midpoint. Okay, so now we are at the our midpoint of our Python series, where we have done with so many stuff from the basic things and all those stuff we have covered. And also we have covered some of the intermediate part. And after this video we will be going to start our of oops in Python. So till then, watch this video. So if you not watch the previous videos also, then do watch those videos, because that is going to help you in the upcoming lecture. And if you don't know Python from basic, then I will assure you that thing, that if you watch my videos from the video session 1, then you will be able to like stand with the whatever developers are standing, and you will match that criteria. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for all of these things. And if you like my video, then share with your college mates, then your buddies, or whoever is learning Python, just share with them. Thank you so much. Bye bye.